Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Evernote with Notion. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.notion.com. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials to access your Notion workspace. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your main workspace where you can see all your existing pages and databases. Now, let's add a new page where you'll import your Evernote content. Click on the option to create a new page in your workspace. This page will serve as the destination for all your imported Evernote notes, keeping everything organized in one place. Once your new page is created and open, direct your attention to the bottom center of the page. You'll notice an icon with 3 dotted lines. Click on it to reveal a menu with various options. From this menu, select Import. This is where Notion allows you to bring in content from various external sources, making it easy to consolidate all your information. After clicking Import, you'll see a list of different platforms and file types you can import from. Click on Evernote from the available options. This will initiate the connection process between your Notion and Evernote accounts. Next, click Connect Evernote to begin linking your accounts. This button starts the authorization process that allows Notion to access your Evernote notebooks and notes securely. You'll then be prompted to authorize the connection. Click Authorize to grant Notion permission to access your Evernote content. This step is essential because it establishes a secure bridge between the two platforms, ensuring your notes can be transferred safely. Note that if you've previously authorized this connection, you might see Reauthorize instead. After authorization is complete, click Continue to move forward with the import process. Now you'll see a list of all your Evernote notebooks displayed on the screen. From this list, select the specific notebook you want to import into Notion. Right beside your notebook selection, you'll find an Import Location option. Click on it and choose where you'd like these notes to appear in your Notion workspace. You can select whether you want them to remain private or place them in one of your existing pages from your list. This gives you flexibility in organizing your imported content according to your workflow. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to finalize your choices and begin the import process. Notion will now start transferring your Evernote notes to your workspace. Depending on how many notes you're importing, this might take a moment, so be patient while the system processes everything. When the import is complete, click Go to Import to view your newly transferred content. You'll now be able to see all your Evernote notes within Notion, maintaining their formatting and structure. To make sure everything imported correctly, click on one of your notes to open it and verify that all the content, images, and formatting came through as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Evernote with Notion, bringing all your important notes into one powerful workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.